Welcome to the Crochet channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet baby knot headband. I am going to start by working the first section, which is the bow section. I'm going to start by chaining 2. Then work 2 single crochet all in that one spot. So that is round 1. And turn. Now for the row 2, I am going to single crochet in 1 stitch and 2 single crochet all the next stitch, which is called increase. And turn. Now for the row 3, I am going to single crochet in each stitch across the row. So it is 2 single crochet and then increase. And turn. Now for the row 4, I make 3 single crochet and increase at the end and turn. And now for the row 5, I make 4 single crochet and increase at the end and turn. And now for the row 6, I made 5 single crochet and increase at the end. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And turn. Now for the row 7, I am going to single crochet in each stitch. So it is 7 single crochet. And turn. Repeat it again for the row 8. So it is 7 single crochet. And turn. Now for the row 9, I will make 5 single crochet. And then we will decrease at the end and turn. And for the row 10, we will make 4 single crochet and then decrease at the end. And turn. And for 11th row, we make 3 single crochet and decrease at the end. And turn. And for the row 11, we make 2 single crochet and decrease at the end and turn. And for the 13th row, we make 3 single crochet and no decrease and turn. And for row 14, 2 single crochet and increase and turn, and 15 row, 3 single crochet and increase at the end, and turn. And the next section is middle strip from row 16 to 70. I am going to double crochet in each stitch across the row, so it is 5 double crochet and turn. Repeat it again until row 70. Okay, let's count together. For double crochet, 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and double crochet 5, and continue your work. Row 71, 3 single crochet and decrease and turn. Row 72, 2 single crochet and decrease and turn. Row 73, 3 single crochet all the row and turn. Row 74, 2 single crochet and increase and turn. Row 75, 3 single crochet and increase and turn. Row 76, 4 single crochet and then increase row 77, 5 single crochet and then increase and turn. Row 78, 7 single crochet all the row and repeat it again for row 79. And turn. For row 80, 5 single crochet and decrease. For the row 81, 4 single crochet and then decrease. And turn your work. Row 82, 3 single crochet and decrease. And turn. Row 83, 2 single crochet and decrease. And turn. Row 84, single crochet and decrease. And turn. Row 85, decrease and slip stitch. And cut your yarn with a scissor. Tie your yarn off and sew in the end. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to see my next video.